Hey there, Ryan, co-founder of Pixie here. There's a ton of information online needed to help keep your family running. Everything from what to do when your child is sick, to helpful parenting tips, to food recipes. Have you ever wanted to keep track of all those helpful links you reference frequently? Or even wanted to compile recipes found online into your own personal recipe book? In this video, I'll teach you how to quickly store links and information found online to a single organized place. As a parent, your time is precious. That's why with the Share to Pixie feature, we've made it super easy to save website links without having to bounce back and forth between apps. And the best part is you get to decide how you want it organized so you can easily find it later. To do this, simply hit the Share button while on a page you'd like to save from your web browser and choose the Pixie app. If you don't see Pixie in your list of apps, navigate to More, tap Edit, and enable Pixie as one of your favorites. From there, you can name the link and then organize it into one of your boards. For me and my wife Liz, having boards created for the different meal types makes this really easy to save recipes we want to try later. We also have a health board to save links to articles with medical advice or websites of our family's providers. If you don't have time to organize to a board right then, just save it to drafts. Quick tip, you can also save links from social platforms like Instagram or TikTok for posts you want to reference later. You truly can have all of your information in one place. Enough of having everything scattered across countless apps. Go experience the magic of organizing all of your information needed to keep your family running in Pixie. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials on how to get on top of family life. Happy organizing.